Hello, I'm Suzanne Alfandari, a licensed therapist in California and an EFT tapping coach around the world. I love working with people and I love training, both EFT tapping and motivational interviewing, MI. This morning I was in San Francisco, where I am right now. I was at the Rhoda Goldman Plaza training elders in using EFT tapping. Most of them were concerned about stress and memory loss, and they wondered if they reduced some stress, if that would help them retrieve memory more quickly or more easily. We did several rounds on that, and people found that they just felt more relaxed. There was more comfort. They felt like they also had a tool that they could use when the difficult feelings come up about losing memory. Please practice that on your own sometime about reducing stress about anything that you might be experiencing. And if possible, take a break and enjoy some beautiful nature if you can, anywhere that you can, anytime that you can, to renew and refresh and keep tapping. Thank you for listening, and please leave me a comment here, like, share, if it makes sense to you. Or reach me through my website, SuzanneAlfandari.com, and maybe we can talk about working together. Thank you so much.